मडगाव बस स्टँडार कसलीच सुविधा सारकी ना। हे बस स्टँडार दिसपट्टे हजारांनी टुरिस्ट येतात, तांकां गोंयचें विद्रूप चित्र दिश्टी पडटा। कदम महामंडळान हे बस स्टँडावयल्यो गजाली जाग्यार घालच्यो म्हूण गोवा कॅन आनी हेर एक्टिव्हिस्टांच्यो मागण्यो। गोवा कॅनाचे रोलंड मार्टिसान मिडियाक घेवन बस स्टँडाची दुर्दशा दाखयली।
What are we saying? First, create cleanliness, make it a litter-free bus stand. We have just seen now, none of the stalls in this bus stand have got official dustbin. Somebody is keeping a cardboard box, somebody is keeping a bucket. Whose bucket? Nobody knows. So there has to be an official program of the KTC. Under Swachh Bharat, there has to be dustbins, bins for the plastic, because one major problem here is plastic. Second point is the sitting facility. Neither the driver can sit, and you can see how their broken seats have been supported by Coca-Cola crates and some soda crates, etc. Neither are they in a good position, neither the consumer is in a good position, because every time a bench is broken, it is thrown in front of the bus stand. And no replacement. Secondly, there is no disabled, exclusive disabled parking here. For a person who is disabled, he wants to go to the Bangalore bus or any bus, there is no exclusive disabled parking. Come at 7, 8 o'clock, water is being sold. Water of the toilet is being sold. You can see the bottles and how they are selling the water. So we are saying KTC as they have declared in today's papers, they are going to review the tender of MAPSA and Benjam toilet. They are saying review this. If Sulabh cannot, they have signed an agreement for 20-30 years. Review the agreement. The government of Goa Tourism Department declare how many tourists are coming to South Goa. Is this what we want to show them? The first image they get is at this bus stand. So security is very important. Now we are saying that in the last mile connectivity, government is going for electric buses, solar energy and biofuels. Now if this is the case, before the new bus stand comes, we are saying that they should disclose the models here. Have a solar energy lighting here. Show what this biofuels is all about. People have to get confidence. If people don't have confidence, they will not use. And secondly, all the taxi drivers, all the motorcycle pilots, all the rickshaw drivers, they must know what is going to happen to their business. They'll be wiped out. With a new arrangement coming, somebody from Delhi will come here with 50 vehicles. He will say, I'm running the business. All our local goons will be out. Why? Because they do not have the knowledge, they do not have the technology. So as you know, Government of India has taken a decision. 7th and 8th Prime Minister Modi declared last mile connectivity. There is a mobility plan. Government of Goa has appointed a high task force post. And as Goa Can, we are a member of that task force. We are alerting everybody, all stakeholders.
बस स्टँडार खंय मदींच रस्त्यार बसी थारायतात आणि पॅसेंजरांक देंवयतात. पार्किंगाची सारकी व्यवस्था ना.
Anyone enters anyway and there can be accidents and then we may wake up. Then again there is a road in the middle of the bus stand which is connecting to the stadium. It is a road on which road the Kadamba buses are stopping, the passengers are getting down. Now if there is an accident, again there will be a problem on this road. So there should be some base where the passengers should be allowed to get down and go safely.
प्रुडंटा खातीर सावयो डायस.
गोवा पब्लिक सर्व्हिस कमिशनान पणजी स्वच्छता मोहीम केली. गांधीच्या 150व्या जयंती वर्सा निमतान जीपीएससीन स्वच्छता मोहीम सुरू केली. जीपीएससीच्या ह्या मोहिमेत राज्यपाल मृदुला सिन्हाय वांटेकार जाली. स्वच्छता मोहीम आपूण जावन करपाचे थारायिल्ल्यान राज्यपालान मोहिमेत वांटो घेवन कर्मचारी आनी ऑफिसरांची तुस्त केली. जीपीएससी आयनॉक्सा मुखार आशिल्लें मैदान स्वच्छ केलें.
स्वच्छता अभियान सरकारी अभियान नहीं. सरकारी अभियान होता तो शायद आपको कहा जाता, वहाँ से आता कि आप ये कार्यक्रम करिए और 4 साल पहले से कहा जाता. लेकिन ये स्वच्छता अभियान स्वैच्छिक कार्य, स्वैच्छिक कार्य कहते हैं स्व इच्छा से काम करिए. तो इस आपकी संस्था ने भी, आप लोगों ने भी, आपके अध्यक्ष ने ये तय किया कि हमारी ओर से भी बूंद बूंद से सागर भरता है. तो हमारी ओर से भी सागर में एक बूंद, जो स्वच्छता अभियान रूपी सागर है, उसमें एक बूंद हम अपनी तरफ से करेंगे, प्रयास करेंगे. एक बूंद का प्रयास होगा. और देश और विशेष करके गोवा में भी ये अभियान संस्थाओं के द्वारा विभिन्न कार्यालयों के द्वारा इंडिविजुअल रूप से सब चल रहा है।
Her Excellency Honorable Governor of Goa, Srimati Mridula Sinha ji. Thank you, ma'am, and welcome to this cleanliness drive organized to commemorate Swachh Bharat and being in the 150th year of celebration of Mahatma Gandhi ji. As you all know, this is one of the mission projects of the Government of India, and cleanliness, they say, is next to godliness.
Our governor will launch it for us. There is nothing dirty in cleaning. So I think today we should get together for the next 1.5 hours, clean as much as we can, fill those bins that are there, and show that we can do it again.
घेऊया एक कमर्शियल ब्रेक.